What's the meaning of company car? Company car. Company car.
Company car. Company car. A company car is a vehicle that is owned and maintained by a company, and is typically provided to employees for business purposes. These cars can be used for transportation to and from work, as well as for work-related travel. The cost of leasing or purchasing the car, as well as insurance and maintenance, is usually paid for by the company. Having access to a company car can be a perk for employees, as it provides them with reliable transportation for work-related activities without having to bear the costs themselves.